best. Do what you want to, please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing.
Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say shout out to those who are watching my videos, those who are subscribing to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. I appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is going to be about KCB Cosmetics. If you guys are just tuning in, if you're new here to my channel, I am a brand ambassador of KCB Cosmetics. I'll make sure to put everything down in the link below so you guys can go and check out the website, honey. Okay, don't sleep on the website. And really what I'm going to do is just kind of go into detail about the products that I were sent, was the products that I was sent. But before we get into that, let me tell y'all about this lip gloss, okay? This is the lip gloss. As y'all can see, it's all shimmery and cute. Alright, so let me tell y'all about this lip gloss. So, come on camera, focus. I need you over here, okay? Okay, but tell y'all about this lip gloss. Your girl went on a trip to Georgia, okay? I went to the Brunner Brothers hair show in Atlanta, Georgia. It was nice, okay? It was nice. But anyways, this trip, long story short, this trip was so sudden, like nothing was planned. I just got up and said, let's go, basically. So I kind of like crammed everything. I rushed and packed my bags. I packed the essentials, blah blah blah, you know, outfits or whatever, hair, you know, I love my wigs, okay, and makeup a little here and there, but not too much because I tend to lose things when I pack too much. So I just packed, well, I felt like I packed just enough, which really wasn't even close to enough, okay? But let me tell you about this lip gloss. So I didn't have any moisturizer. I forgot my moisturizer, and I'm with my best friend Simone, and I didn't even know she had moisturizer, but we was kind of running behind because we was like an hour and a half away from the city. So I used this you gotta improvise. I used this lip gloss as a moisturizer, and baby, whose skin was moisturized, okay? But yeah, y'all, I just improvised. And it smells so good. It smelled like vanilla bean. But talking about skin was popping. Okay. I used lip gloss as a moisturizer for my face. Then I put on my regular, you know, schmegular makeup. And my skin was moisturized all day. So whatever is in this lip gloss, overall, whatever is in these lip products is popping, okay? So get you some of this. Now, I ain't saying go and apply everybody lip gloss onto your face as a moisturizer. No, don't do that. But these products are the bomb. So y'all need to go and check out the website. And I'll make sure I put everything down below for you guys. Let's just go over what are my favorites right now. I haven't got to the lipsticks just yet, but I will set aside some free time to play with those. But as far as the glosses, like, I'm so in love with these glosses. It's ridiculous. Like, I love these glosses. So my favorite is Platinum Peach and Copper Coin. I mixed these two together to get kind of like a gold bronze shimmery color. But not only that, they smell really good. They smell really good. They don't smell like candy, but it smells like rose. It smells like a rose.